Today, let's dive into the world of PVC windows with Leader Fenêtre. Leader Fenêtre, your trusted partner for premium PVC windows. You have been considering a renovation or a new construction? We are here to offer you complete solutions adapted to your needs here in French-speaking Switzerland. At Leader Fenêtre, we are committed to providing the highest quality products and services. Our PVC windows are designed to offer insulation exceptional, thus ensuring optimal thermal and acoustic comfort in your home. Our team of qualified experts ensures a flawless installation, guaranteeing the perfect integration of your new windows into your living space. We take care of every detail so that you can enjoy windows beautiful and functional. Don't pass up the opportunity to transform your home with top-quality UPVC windows. Contact Leader Fenêtre today for a free consultation and find out how we can meet your window needs. Thank you for watched. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more advice and inspiration for your home window. Leader, your trusted partner for PVC windows in French-speaking Switzerland.